What is going on, Toads? Justin with AdJustin the Fishin. Want to welcome y'all back to another video. If I'm not welcoming you back, that means you are not subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Today's video, I'm actually trying to go fishing on a golf course. It doesn't work out. You always got to have a plan B, y'all. But if you stay tuned in the video, there will be another way to get an extra entry or to get yourself entered into the 10,000 fish giveaway. As y'all know, that giveaway ends August the 20th. So you have to get your entries in before then. Stay tuned to the video. Somewhere in there will be a chance for another entry or to get yourself entered if you're new. If you're new, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. We drop videos every Saturday. And with that being said, let's get to the video. Oh, as I was talking, nice one. Simply calls out bigger ones. Try to get up before everybody today, y'all. Trying to get up and be able to fish and not get busted. If we can make it all the way over there. Make it. Oh, there's golf carts. We're here, y'all. They are patrolling. Oh my God. These mosquitoes are serious mosquitoes. This heavily guarded golf course, I guess. I needed to get away from over there anyway. So I planned on fishing the golf course, but I can't. So guess I'll be fishing here. I'll show y'all what I'm throwing. So, a little chatterbait, the stealth. This is the JACKHAMMER. This is that stealth chatterbait. It's got the clear blade. I don't know if that makes any difference or not, but I actually have a Yoto worm, one of those 10,000 fish products. A 10,000 fish trailer, basically. Oh, as I was talking, oh God. I actually lost a big fish here one day. Oh yeah, good one. Good one. Good hook set. Get him back in. Nice one. Get him back in there. Alright. Can't say that I've gotten too many chatterbait bites, so that was fun. That was fun. Oh, did you just see that? There's a fish that just hit on top of the water. Oh, I think y'all probably was, he grabbed it. He grabbed it. I don't know how that hook didn't go in him. He came and got it. He came and got it. There's an excited fish over here somewhere. would really like to go back over there, but boy, those mosquitoes. I got this swimmer out, but I'm probably gonna, I fish with the swimmer so much that I'm really trying to get some of the other baits and lures down. So I'm probably just gonna fish with this chatterbait around this whole pond, probably all day today. Messing up all my casts because these mosquitoes are tearing my legs up, y'all. Okay. He didn't want to let that one go with. Hold on, buddy. I'm gonna get you out. I'm gonna get you out. Ooh, that's your eyepiece. Oh, that's. Oh, buddy. Okay, you kept your eye though. You kept your eye. I helped you. Just be nice to me right now. Look, I helped you. You kept your eye. All right, you're a little dirty. I'm gonna just throw you back. Ooh, he just went straight to swimming off. Oh yes. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, he got some fight. Alright, we're gonna get you right here, buddy. Oh. I got you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Success. Put him back, y'all. Thought we were stopping at the golf course. Golf course apparently is heavily guarded over here. So oh, that's another fish. Oh my God, yeah. Oh, that was almost two back to back. I wasn't ready. There's more in here than I think. That thing grabbed it. That was the very next cast. I got a hook in him though. He probably ain't coming back. Giving this chatterbait a workout. Oh, don't do this. Don't go around that. Okay, yeah, come back this way. Jump this way. Oh, he almost wrapped me in the pole. Chill out, chill out. Top of the mouth. Chatterbait is getting it done. Smalls, larges, everything. We'll take them. Okay. All right, we're either going to switch or call that a day. I think we're gonna go check out another spot. If you're still watching at this point, then you know If I'm interrupting the video, it's probably because I'm gonna give you a way to get another entry into the 10,000 fish giveaway. Here's the way to enter into the giveaway for today's video. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like this video. And the comment today is, in the comment section, let me know how many fish I actually caught. You'll be entered into the giveaway. If you've already entered into the giveaway, then this will be an extra entry. Y'all keep up with it. Watch the rest of the video so you'll know. And let's get back to it. On to the next spot. Alright, y'all, I think that's gonna be it for the chatterbait. Oh no, it's a little windy. I'm gonna go spinnerbait. I go, I know we've discussed it, I go no kicker. Sometimes I put a trailer hook on, sometimes I don't. In grassier situations, I do not put a trailer hook on, and 9 times out of 10 I never put a trailer lure on. Just spinnerbait itself. I can't win for losing. It's gotta be me. It's gotta be me. I figured since I had a high-speed reel that I'd be able to, you know, catch up to it. But no. I don't know, y'all. The golf course idea didn't go right, so I'm pretty much calling it anyway. I'm just casting around as I go. Oh, there you go. Finally. Oh, I'm gonna be able to get him up here. Yes, sir. Chill out. It's been so long I can't even tell you if I'm recording or not. Yes, I am, son. Yes, I am. Probably the biggest one of the day. Spinnerbait simply calls out bigger ones. Look at you. Finally, y'all. Oh my God. I know I just put this on, but I'm about to leave. So, recently, I've been getting bites on the head hunter. Actually, my big one is like tore up from a catfish that bit while I was pond hopping. So today I'm gonna just throw on the smaller version, the bite size.